Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Ram 2500 Limited with the 6.4 liter Hemi motor. Look at this interior. This is just absolutely beautiful. Nice little storage cubbies. Fold this out for a little tray. You got cargo illumination, so once this folds out, I forget how it works, but essentially you fold this out and it turns into a flat floor, and you have these lights so you know what's there. So you can see it lights up my hand. You can see the power running boards. Don't do that. So total price of this one, $71,990. I thought it was gonna be a lot more, honestly. Right, really nice key. It actually says Ram Limited on it. You got this tag. It says welcome to the standard of luxury trucks. It just shows all this leather, how to care for it. Really nice, actually. Super comfortable. Nice limited badge here. Really nice pinstriping. That is all throughout this. Well, not pinstriping, stitching. Nice limited badge. RAM charger, virtual, or not virtual, I'm an idiot. Wireless charger. Pretty cool. This one, of course, has your 12-inch display, which I've become a huge fan of. But let's go ahead and take this out on the road. Harman Kardon sound, of course. Really like the gauges. They have a nice silver background to them. Everything in here is just super high quality. That 6.4 has an amazing sound to it. And before you ask, no, it's a 392, but it's not a 392, because the 392 is a 6.4 Hemi V8, which is what this is, but it's not, you don't have an SRT motor in here. It's redesigned, reworked to be more of a commercial vehicle motor, kind of more of a focus on torque and strength rather than horsepower and acceleration and all that fun stuff. Although I would love to have a Hellcat motor in one of these. That would be a truck and a half. Let's bring back that Ram SRT 10. That'd be a truck and a half too. just sensationally. Oh, I love the sound of the 6.4. If a diesel's more your thing, you can get the 6.6 liter Cummins diesel in the 2500 as well. And new for either 2019 or 2020, we weren't really sure. You can get a diesel in the 1500. If you've followed any of our videos, either Quirk's videos or my personal videos on my YouTube channel, you'll see that today I also drove the 1500 diesel as well as the 3500 diesel. So I've gotten a good experience of the Ram trucks, and these are really, really nice trucks. They have a very, very high quality feel to them for the price tag. Everything's just up to date, everything's modern feeling. These are really nice trucks. And I'm not saying that because I'm partial to one another or because I'm filming at a Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram dealership today. That's completely true for me. These have the nicest interiors out of the three trucks. I mean, each of the three trucks is best at something, but these are the most luxurious I've found so far. Honestly though, I was looking at the, I hadn't looked at the sticker before I started the video, and I'm like, this is gonna be an $85,000 truck, just based on what the interior's like. But for 71 grand, honestly, you cannot go wrong. I mean, these start at, I think, around 40 something or other, for your work truck. So you don't have to go all the way, but if you do, I mean, if you have the money to do so, these limiteds are just such beautiful trucks, especially the 2020s. Ride is really, really comfortable, actually. I mean, this could be your only car or vehicle, and you'd be perfectly fine. I mean, this is more luxurious than some Audis I've driven. Definitely some Mercedes, especially my grandmother's Mercedes. That thing's not very luxurious. It's an 04C 240, and it's yeah, it's not that good. This, on the other hand, I mean, there's not a feature this truck has that you would want, or need, I should say. I mean, at this point, all this truck doesn't have is self-driving capability. You cannot not like this truck. After driving 9 FCA vehicles today, they have stepped their game up significantly. The days of shoddy build quality and not being all that nice and just interesting FCA stuff of the early 2000s is very much in the rearview mirror. With the whole refresh of the brand in 2011, where they just really stepped up everything, I have not seen them go downhill since then. They have done spectacular work on this truck and all of their other vehicles. The Pacifica was a huge step up from the Town & Country. I mean, the Durango came back and it's 29 times better than the Durango from like 2004. It's so much better. The Challenger's back from 1970, and even though the main body itself is over 10 years old, that thing still is my favorite muscle car. FCA is on a roll right now, and every other manufacturer should take notice, because these are absolutely killer vehicles. On that note, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video.